We are go for liftoff. Welcome to the stupidity that we call, whatever the fuck this is.
Really?
I don't even know what this is.
Ring
It's just...
of Elysium?
No, not the game. Us.
Oh.
Like, we're pretty damn stupid. In all honesty.
Alright, where to go
Back
here?
to Blue Peak. Because, yeah. Now who's ready to row your boat gently down the stream of blood?
What?
You get it? Ring of Elysium, row. Get it? It's funny. Laugh at my joke, Striker.
Not if I don't get the memo. Alright, yeah, I didn't mind.
The memo was I have a shotgun. Ooh, I'm blue this time.
You're always blue on my screen. And nice blue color.
Ah, shit. I didn't just throw my multi-knife at my multi-tool at my keyboard. I'm not retarded, I swear.
No, I heard something that sounded like it was about to break.
Can we, like, just attack a squad sometime, please? Alright, next round I want to do something a little more offensive.
There's one person that's all the way down below right there. You see that? Actually, it's kind of... Without it.
No more driving anything ever again, ever. Bitch lasagna? What? He's actually not that bad, but like whatever. So, Striker.
The extra 90.
Extra
take
90.
The ammo with you. You can take the ammo.
Yeah,
with
just
you.
grab it and give it to us later. I mean, shit, I got 35 rounds for my shotgun.
Also, if you want an auto run, like just not moving for me, you hit the equals or plus sign on your keyboard. Yeah, and it's on auto
Stop
run.
moving them.
While y'all hurry your ass up. There's a jeep at the bottom of the mountain.
Of course, that guy was just using a zip line, which I did not see.
Actually,
Okay, let's see.
drive.
Yeah, let's see how good. Let's see how good he is with that.
Oh, I am?
Yeah, it's on the map here.
Let Striker drive.
If here, I can kind of stop moving.
Oh, God.
Oh god.
Forward?
I can't see. Yeah, just go. Oh, wow.
Holy shit.
Just
That ended poorly.
That's what I said. We should let Striker drive.
The car was turned completely around.
Yeah.
until first, I didn't even realize those guys were going to be there. So I was going to be like, you know what, we could have just went on ahead. God damn it.
Ripping pieces. You leaving?
Hey.
Oh, you getting the good shit. Bring me some good shit. Oh, what?
And again, that's what gets for having to.
Bring me some good shit. I don't want those. I want something else. Like, that's actually edible.
These are edible.
What the fuck are they? Popcorn? Like,
Caramel corn.
Alright, bring me something else. I didn't get any Halloween candy, nope. So, bring me some shit. Oh yeah, I did the smartest thing ever. I left chocolates behind my computer.
Uh-oh.
Where the heat is.
That's not good.
Mm-hmm. I left like Hershey's and fucking mini Mr. Goodbar. Thank God they're all wrappers. Alright, we're taking the mine.
Yep, we're gonna get this one. Oh wait, now I'm blue.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I'm yellow. What color are you normally?
Probably
Orange.
either yellow or orange, one or the other.
Who released it?
Who did what?
Did you release it?
What?
The nasty smell.
No?
Was it me?
What the fuck's this?
When you get someone else, we actually have a full squad.
Yeah.
Is this a cocaine? Is this an acid tab? What the fuck is this?
What'd you do?
Lift and peel right to open.
What?
I don't know. There's like a thing in the popcorn. Oh.
Tab.
No, it's not an acid tab. It's a sticker.
Oh.
Fuck yeah. Sticker. Oh god, we're playing.
Yeah.
You did it again. You did it again.
Striker, I don't want sass from you.
Wait, what?
Shut the fuck up. I don't want your sass.
I did not get your memo.
No sass. Which means he doesn't want no attitude.
Well, too bad. I already
What the
gave
fucking
you.
12-year-old said.
Pepper.
Ooh, anything that's
What's
not what
up?
I'm hearing right now.
Dinner. The one that everyone hates.
Default.
Mm-hmm.
Well, I mean, even the default one can have its uses.
Yeah, even the default one. Sure, let's go with that.
Okay, now how the hell do I get up there? Because there's things up there, and I want things. I like things.
Gotcha. He's dead.
The
Well-
way you just said that. There's a zip line. There's a zip line that can lead you up to a tower.
I found a vector, extended mag. Oh, I'll lead you up my tower, baby.
Who even asked you? Not you, Zanx. Mr. Captain Fantastic over there.
Captain Fantitstick. Found an extended sniper mag.
Do it, I dare you.
Okay.
Joke's on you, faggot. We don't have friendly fire.
Jokes on you, faggot.
No, I'm fine.
Jokes on you, faggot. I don't have anything, right?
Or up.
Do I put the zip line?
Right there, down
I
the hill.
see it.
straight-
I see it.
Right, mark it.
Yeah, no, he's right down the hill along the road. He was right along the road.
In a car.
Yeah.
I saw him
looked like a
drive
small
by.
one.
I saw him drive by in what looked like one of the buggies. So,
No, it was not like the blue one. It looked more of like the one that didn't have a hood. You're good right now, though.
okay.
So yeah, even right there, I tend to have a pretty sharp eye.
Mm-hmm.
Not always, though. I'm gonna be honest.
You shot? Taking shots?
That was
Okay.
him. That was him.
Yeah, no, I'm like peeking at his screen half this time.
Oh, so with hills like this, you could hit. You could go into third person and kind of try and look over the edge there. And check on the hill.
Where are they at?
They're right over here.
Oh, yep, I see him. I see him.
What gun do you have?
He has the G28.
Oh, okay. It's like, well, I have to like reload after every shot. This is.
Well, yeah, no, that's the thing with the G28.
Do we want to go up that zip line?
No.
No, don't do that, don't do that.
Okay.
Okay.
Listen, take it from us. You might be better off,
Just stay in here for now.
And then
yeah. Oh,
sniping.
actually, you guys are in the safe zone. You guys are in the safe zone still.
Okay, you gotta watch out the zip lines, by the way.
Okay.
Yeah, because they could come in from anywhere.
Okay.
So I can look at my screen.
Wait, hold on, let me take a look. What? Wait, hold on. The scope needs... Wait, is that thing literally on nothing?
It looks like it.
No, it's probably just not rendering.
Yeah, well, I mean, no duh.
It's like, nope, we just made this one floating post. If you go to this, you're fucked. Oh god. You shooting on him?
Hey, you see that thing flying down or floating down? That's the drop package. You don't shoot that. You do not shoot that.
Okay.
Those have good snipers in it, by the way, too.
So should we go for that or leave?
No.
We should
No,
snipe people.
Don't yeah. Use that as the traps.
Oh, I see someone on a
Okay.
glider guy.
Yeah. Oh, and on the hill too. You see how there was the flashes on the screen? Look back at the mountain. Look back at the mountain. Yeah. Usually, unless you have a flash hider, they're going to be like they're gonna stick out pretty easily when they go to fire their weapons. Like, look up the hill, Zax. Just look up that hill that's, yeah, a little bit ways.
Oh no, I've seen
no.
Flash before.
Well, no, to the left, to the left.
He's gonna kill himself.
Me?
I saw somebody that was
like the
there.
dude that was jumping up here.
Oh, the glider or the jumpy dude?
Why is there so many people on that mountain?
Oh, I see him all too.
Oh my
God!
goodness.
Oh my God!
You actually land the shot. No
I
way.
actually, did you see that?
No, because I'm still watching Zax's perspective.
Dude, like literally, I was like 2 feet above him, and I literally shot him, and it like literally,
Dang.
all I heard was,
You couldn't do that, but did you knock him down, or?
no, I didn't.
I'm trying to account for bullet drop here, which is a pain.
Yeah, again, there are some weapons
Where are they
that don't, that I found
Mark
that don't have it.
And this one is not one of those.
Q is the,
Are you shooting at the post?
No, that's a person. I can see them holding a gun.
Where?
Oh, wait, a little bit up, boys. Yep, right, no, to the right, to the right. Right there, right there. Do you see the thing poking out? Oh, wait. Yep, there's 2 of them right there.
That's the dude I hit.
Just keep fire down on them.
Fire down.
That's not a post, is it? That's a post. That's a motherfucking post. But yeah, there was a guy over there.
I could fire with this and hit him.
Cool story, bro.
Yeah, still.
Okay, I'm just gonna reload now. Shit. It's on the post.
Hey, guy.
Oh, I see him. He's on a glider. What the fuck is he doing? What is he doing? What is he trying to accomplish here? Do you have an extra scope of any kind, like even a red dot at this point?
4 times, yeah.
There's another one. Yep, right there.
Got him.
Oh, one you got ahead.
Wasn't
Or
me.
you might have been.
If you have an extra scope, drop it.
If I have the other guy.
If you have an extra scope that's not 4 times or anything, you drop it and I'll take it.
When you get the 8.
Oh god, I got hit. Oh shit, where am I getting hit from?
Oh, it's probably from those guys in the mountain. But you know, let me check your perspective. You just get into cover, get the Z is your prone here. Oh no, hip hop, you gotta get mop,
Oh god, I'm trying not to fall off the mountain here.
Yeah, no, it's fine. Just stay right there. I think. Oh no, wait, somebody's going down.
Glider, go take that glider out. Take that glider down. One shot left.
I can keep an eye on his HP.
I'll be
He's
fine.
on the run.
Oh, you got another one.
Another guy, another one.
Guys, watch it. Watch left. Watch your left. Shoot. Taking shots. You're taking shots.
Yeah, it's opposite side.
Can you shoot from a hang glider?
No.
I think yes, you can.
Oh, I'm
chopper.
dead.
Chopper.
I'm dead.
Yeah, you can.
Rest in potatoes.
Yeah, I've seen it be possible. I've seen it done in a video. Dang. Well, just watch his perspective, see how long he lasts.
Hey, I mean, top 20. Hope you all enjoyed the video. Wanted to take a second to say sorry it's all choppy and cut up, especially with these shorter ones. Waiting for YouTube to verify me, but once that's done, you can hopefully be expecting some higher quality something or others.